Hi class 2. Today we are going to do the exercises of this chapter which we have learned yesterday. Okay. So please take out this chapter. I was walking down the road. I was walking down the road. Okay. And open page number 55. Okay. Open page number 55. Today we will do this making connections, quick answers. So you have understood the story, all of you? Okay, take a pencil in your hand and what we are going to do, I am telling. Here are pictures of some of the animals that the girl caught. So yesterday we have seen that the girl caught the animals. Okay. So here is a picture of a snail. This is a toad. This is a mouse. This is a sparrow. Match the animals to the places where the girl found them. So what you have to do, you have to match the places. You know that the girl has found those animals in different places. Okay. So you have to match the animals according to the place where she had found. So number 1 is snail. Where she found that? On her shoe. So please draw a line and show it. Okay. So on the snail you mark an arrow with on her shoe. So snail, she found it on her shoe. It was sitting on her shoe while she was waiting for the male. Okay. Then the toad. Toad where she found while she was walking down the road. When she was walking on the road, that time she found the toad. Then mouse. Mouse where she found it in a room. Okay, while she was sweeping the floor, cleaning the floor. Mouse she found in a room, and sparrow she found that it was sitting on a flower. Again I am repeating. Snail she found on a shoe. Toad she found on the road. Mouse she found in the room, and sparrow she found on a floor. Okay, finished. Then you see, what did the girl use to catch these animals? Okay, from the picture you can see number 1, number 2, what did the girl use to catch these animals? Now it is written in A, butterfly. So what did the girl use to catch this butterfly? What did she use to catch this butterfly? She used the net. The picture is given. So you write the butterfly was caught with a net. The butterfly was caught with a net. W-A-S was C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught with a net. W-I-T-H, with a net. Then carrot. The bunny was given a carrot. Okay. So that when the bunny will come to eat the carrot, she can catch that animal. Okay. So the bunny was given a carrot. Right. The bunny was, W-A-S was given, G-I-V-N, given a carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T. Then the sparrow. The sparrow was caught by wheelbarrow. This is the picture of a wheelbarrow. So how the sparrow was caught? The sparrow was caught by a wheelbarrow. Okay, the sparrow was caught by wheelbarrow. Now students, question answers I will be giving you later. Okay, there are some more grammatical exercise which we will discuss in another class. Open page number 56. Here you see word world. Under the word world there is some jumble words given. Okay, jumble words. You know that jumble words means where the letters are given in the incorrect order. You have to arrange the words in correct order and you have to make a proper meaningful word. Here are the names of some things you saw and read. So you have read of some many things and you have seen also. So here are some words, you have given the clues also. Please unscramble the words. O-A-D-R. What is this? We work on it. We work on it. What we work? We work on the road. So the answer will be R-O-A-D. Please write it down properly. R-O-A-D. Road. Then K-Y-S. White and blue. We know this, no? In over our head where we can see if we go outside our house. What is there? Sky. Because sky is blue and white. It is spreading everywhere. Okay. Then number C is E-R-L-E-T-T. X-O-B. The postman puts mail in it. The postman puts mail inside this. What is that? letter box. Okay, L-E-T-T-E-R, letter, B-O-X, box. Okay, then next is the R-O-B-O-M. What is this? We use it to sweep a room. We sweep the room, we clean the room with this. That is called broom. B-R-O-O-M, broom. Okay, so students, do all these exercises. Okay, and here is some grammar time portion where we will read about the past tense verbs. Okay, some examples of past tense verbs is given in your book. See page number 57. Chased, C-H-A-C-D, chased, D-A-N-C-D, danced, L-O-U-G-H-E-D, laughed, colored. Past tense verbs means where you have to use ed after the verb. Okay, see, here are some sentences in 56. I saw a little toad, I caught it, I sat. So in the above sentence, saw, caught and sat, all these are called action words. The words which shows action, that means you are doing something, some animals or someone is doing some work or action, that is called the verb. So they tell us the actions that happened in the past. Now sat, caught, saw, these happened in the past time, already done. Okay, now here are some pictures you can see which also occurred in the past time. What is called past tense? The past tense shows us actions that happened in the past time. What is the past tense? Tense means actually the time of the action which took place earlier in the past. Okay, we also have learned about the past tense in another chapter also. Chased, danced, laughed, colored. Okay, give, past tense is gave, come, past tense is came, go, past tense is went, drink, past tense is drank. Okay, here are more like this. In each group circle the correct action words. You have to actually circle the action words. Okay, this you do as homework. In each group circle the correct action words. Like here, break, broke, they have underlined. Bited, bite, bit. Take, took. Which one is correct? Okay, so you do this first, then I will discuss the answers with you. Okay, then what did Peter do yesterday? Use the picture clues to write the answers. Okay, what Peter is doing, you have to see the picture and you have to write the verb in the past tense. Okay, turn to page number 58. Do this one. Okay, and then we will continue from page number 58 in our next class. Okay, there are some more exercises we shall do it in our next class. So you just complete up to this. Okay, what Peter is doing and write all the action words using the past tense. Okay, whatever Peter did yesterday, you use it in past tense. Okay, so class 2, all of you please do these exercises in your book properly, and if you cannot understand, I will then send the picture. Okay, bye all of you.